Unboxing the DV2T Gel Timer. So you and your team decided to invest in a DV2T Gel Timer. After placing order, you patiently waited. And finally, the DV2T Gel Timer arrived. Holding your new package, you wonder what else is inside this box beside the gel timer. Hi, this is Eric Chang. In this video, I'm going to open the box and show you what is in it. Basically, what are other parts and documents included with your new gel timer you just ordered. Your new gel timer is shipped in a heavy-duty corrugated box measure 21-inch, 12-inch, and 17-inch high, and weighs about 28 pounds. I suggest that you save this box for reuse when you ship the instrument back to Brookfield for annual calibration and certification and service. So let's open the box and see what is inside. With the help of the box cutter, just cut open the packaging tape, stick it open. Alright, came the box. That's what it look like. And then in the box, I can see there are 3 items in the box. Let me put this down. It's about 28 pounds, remember? And the first thing I saw is a hard carrying case. And the second item in the box that looked like a pizza box is the lap stand. And the third item in the box is a package in a Ziploc bag with all the documents. Now in this package, we have the certificate of viscometer calibration, a touchscreen protector, a manual, and more solution to sticky problem. Now we still ship in hard copy, but there will come a point in time where this hard copy will be no longer with the package. Instead, we'll provide you in a USB memory stick. The package number 2 is the lap stand. Okay, in the lap stand itself, the lap stand itself, and then the rod and a clamp. And also included in the box is a lap stand instruction sheet, 1 page. It outlines the parts in the lap stand and also how to put it together. To put the lap stand together, merely unscrew this bolt. Once the bolt is out, install the lap stand and you tighten it. Once it's tightened, set it aside. And let's see what is in the hard carrying case. So in the hard carrying case, you got a power cord, RTD temperature probe. We also have a tube of gel timer rod spindle. So when you order a gel timer, it comes with 1 glass rod. Alright, so set it aside. And you have the gel timer itself. Let me put the case aside. So to attach the gel timer onto the lap stand, merely just insert into the clamp and secure it. Side, make sure it's level, and then you're good to go. So to attach the glass rod onto the gel timer, first you gotta attach this onto here, remove the cap, and then attach this onto the spindle attachment. And then you simply push it in and then you attach it. That's it. Any questions, feel free to reach us at www.brookfieldengineering.com or just call us at 800-628-8139. We are more than happy to assist. Thank you.